I think we are again live now, and on today's video, we are going to analyze the market. Okay, and hope all of you can understood my point. Okay, and I think I'm here to just analyze the Nasdaq index. Okay, all of you have heard about the Nasdaq 100 index, and I think we already discussed about that also. Now, let's see, just try to see that Nasdaq, and we are going to analyze. So, analyzing the market is just about the probability, and we just have to look at the situation where most of the trader used to Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, Nasdaq INC also. This is a stock. Okay, and Nasdaq Composite Index. This one is also index, and the Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, Nasdaq also. Just click here Nasdaq 100 index. Sorry, Nasdaq 100 and AS. Uh, we have to look over the index again. Nasdaq 100 index, Nasdaq cash index, not Nasdaq 100 index. Now this one is the Nasdaq 100 index, and we are going to just see, and as I have already said you about this also, this market is just about the probability. Okay, so we don't have 100% accuracy on this kind of a thing, but if still we try to learn, then we can see the outcome. And when we have see this one is average. Okay, now here it is based on regular also. Regular you can see a percent also. So just see it on tabular format up to here 5 year there was a positive return, and up to 1 year only there was a negative return. Okay, when you consider this, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, now Nasdaq 100 index, and when we try to see this, we all have to draw this. We all have to learn about the support and resistance. And when the support and resistance means the support from where any stock or any market or anything, any assist is moving on upward direction, then it suddenly stop falling, then we consider it as in support, and resistance means from which phase that stock will start fall. Okay, now this will be, I think, it is on resistance phase, and when you try to use RSI indicator, and we can see it's a detailed information also. Now see here. Now resistance means here, and RSI has also shown that this is above overbought zone or above 70, so which is considered it has a overbought zone. So consider this overbought zones means from where stock has been overly bought by the trader or the investor, and they cannot I think they cannot move again in upward because a lot of people used to sell on this phase. So there will be much more possibility, much more high probability to fall and to see the downfall on such kind of stock. Now, when you try to use Bollinger Band also, we will use Bollinger Band. And Bollinger Band indicator also showcase us about this also. Then now this is above here, and this one is above this phase, which is overbought zone, and this is at the oversold zone. Okay, so consider this phase, and always try to think for a long term, and on short term there will be quite hard, but when you just try to see this, and we can quite earn a little bit of money, but on long term there will be not much more gain. Okay, see now, when you try to now, I think when it fall above this line, then there will be quite good buying position. Okay, so try to see this. I think it will fall up to here, then 2500. 25,331, then there will be the buying, good buying. But if it didn't fall here, then we don't have to buy. Okay, now here see, there are quite red candle, then the another then the this green candle. So now it is on 49. Okay, see, just try to see this candle, and if it just fall around this, then there will be the buying. Now it is on 53. We don't have to be hurry. Okay, if we become hurry, then we can lose the money. So don't try to be hurry. Always develop a patience. So patience makes you great, and you can get a much more return also on the thing. Okay, so hope all of you can understood and what I'm saying. And another thing is market is just about the reflection of our emotion. Okay, what it will reflect now. It is on 49 or 48. Okay, I think again red candle will start to form. Okay, let's develop some patience and maintain the patience over here. And today we are going to discuss about the bullish candle also. We'll discuss about Maraguzu candle, I think bullish Maraguzu candle on this video. On next video, I will be live on that also. So this makes you clear about candlestick pattern. First, we'll discuss about bullish Maraguzu, then bearish Maraguzu engulfing, and then another engulfing candle also. Okay, bearish engulfing also, bullish, bearish both. So you can easily understood about that point. And if we have quite high and much more resources also, then we can make you quite animated videos. So which makes you easy to understand about the various thing what I'm teaching for you, so that and you can retain much more knowledge on animation and video than just teaching and just speaking around the screen. This is not quite a good teaching method, but if we make animation and if we make a great video, then most of the people they can easily understand and retain the knowledge from our content. So we'll try on next episode also something. After many episode we will do that. At the present time we are unable to do such thing. So please don't mind for that, and I'm trying my best to make you and you can understand or retain the knowledge from our content. So if you retain the knowledge, then it will be great for us, because you can also be financially well literate, and you can understand the market scenario, and you can avoid the loss on the market. So uh, rather than earning money, preventing or saving money or avoiding the loss is also more important than rather than earning money. So if we just prevent the loss, if you just save the money also, that will be a huge gain for the people, because you can understand about how to save money, then you can invest your money wisely. Okay, so hope all of you got it my point. And I like to say that one thing all the trader have to understand is about the developing of patience. Okay, so when you develop the patience, then you can understand uh, the game. Okay, so maintaining the patience is very important. If we don't have any patience, then the money that we have earned will be lost. Okay, we can lost all of our money. So developing the patience is very necessary, and we don't have to be we shouldn't be hurry in each and every situation. We cannot beat the market, because a lot of smartest people are here to take away our money. Okay, now I think it is on that zone. Okay, let's see if it came around 25,333, then there will be the better. Okay, let's try to see this. Okay, and another thing also, just maintain the patience. Okay, so patience is very important, than rather than or any other thing. Of as a person with a very good patience, with a very good that he can wait for a long period of a time, they can then they can he or she can certainly on much more money. And on this learning phase also, now it is on buying zone. Okay, let's try to see this. I have said it about 333, and on 333 yeah, my buying zone will be there. Okay, and if it doesn't come now, okay, now there will be buying zone. Okay, I bought there. Okay, let's see. From 333, and we are talking about patience. Okay, developing the patience and maintaining the continuity on anything, or the field that you like, will always helps you to move forward. If you don't have that patience, and if you don't have the thing that you love, and you cannot do the thing that you love, then there will be very hard for you to earn and to move ahead in your life, because you all and we all have to compete with all the people who are smarter than us, who are on the same mm, who are on the same thing that we are with them. And another thing is about uh, that maintaining the continuity and knowing the thing more than other, because if we don't know more thing, then other people will get ahead than us, then they will start to discriminate, they will start to discriminate for us also. So we all have to consider this, and I hope all of you understand my point what I'm saying. And if you want much more information, then just like this video. I don't want your subscribe. If you just like our video, then also you can subscribe. This is not compulsory, and like is also, this like is not compulsory, but I'm saying that. And if I get a much more time, then I will be live on regular or each and every day. Okay, so now just there is only one viewer watching our video. Okay, so that viewer, let's see on future, can we can grow it or not, or or we can quit it also. So if we cannot get the viewer, so it is very hard. Okay, for this year. And this much for today. Thanks for your precious time and attention for our channel. Okay, have a great day. Now we'll talk about Buddhist Maharaguji candidate.